I'm sure you all already know who Ben is from Woby Design on Instagram and YouTube. He's the guy out in California that works exclusively with used skateboards to make everything from giant conference tables to other skateboards. Super cool stuff. Go check him out if you haven't. Ben wants to make a guitar out of skateboards, of course, so he contacted me and we were discussing it. And what we ended up doing is I sent him one of my guitar kits for him to make a skateboard body in his style. He is quite the artist, so I'm sure what he comes up with is going to be like just sick. In exchange for sending that kit, he sent me a bunch of his cutoffs, and so I decided, of course, to make a guitar out of them. I thought it'd be fun to make the neck because usually that's the part that doesn't get made, and I had that acrylic left over from a TV show, a TV network that's not far from me. When they changed their sets, they were throwing out this big acrylic desk, and I got these 2 huge pieces of it. I'm super happy with the guitar and the way it turned out. I hope you dig it too. And I want to thank very much my friend Eric Irachi, who is a local musician, who came into the shop and played it for me so you wouldn't have to listen to me play the guitar. Over on my other YouTube channel, New Perspectives Music, I did an interview with Eric and we did a little more playing, so you can kind of see and hear him play a little more, and you can kind of get to know what Eric is all about as part of my feedback series I do over there. If you don't know about that channel, it's basically where I just demo the instruments that I build for reverb.com listings and whatnot. But I try to put some interesting stuff out too, like interviews with really cool musicians and people who are making a living outside of the norms. So go check that out too. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you around the interweb.